Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viceman, and today we will see unboxing. Today we will see unboxing and review of this bamboo tray which I ordered from Noon, and this bamboo tray is supplied by Noon only. So let's open this. So it comes in this plastic baggage, and if I open that, I will get this bamboo tray. You can see, and it is looking nice. The quality is nice. It is 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 25 centimeter. It is made up of 100% bamboo, foldable legs, and it can be used as a laptop stand also. So it is made in China. On the bottom you can see the legs. So let's open this. So it is from Noon East, and this is the tray. You can see it has edges on both the four sides, so if you put anything, which is not going to be fall out from this. So this is the tray. Let me show you after making it stand. So you can see the height. So height will be very sufficient if you put your legs inside. So you can use this for laptop stand. You can use this for eating something on your bed. Now one more thing is that I can see that this part is little bit lightweight. So if you put heavy things, it may get bent, or it is not suitable for heavy weights. And be sure some finishing should be there so that it will not hurt your fingers. So little bit finishing issue is there, and this part is not sturdy, so it is moving. So I hope this video will be helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Viceman. Thank you.